Hello, plant lovers! 'Tis the season to add some festive cheer to your space with the stunning Christmas cactus. Today, we're counting down the best Christmas cactus colors to brighten your holiday season. Christmas cacti are known for their vibrant blooms that add a pop of color to any room during the holiday season. With so many gorgeous colors to choose from, let's dive into our top picks. Top Christmas cactus colors. 1. Vibrant red. First up, we have the classic vibrant red Christmas cactus. Its bold, fiery blooms are a holiday staple and will add a touch of tradition to your decor. 2. Soft pink. Next, we have the delicate soft pink Christmas cactus. Its gentle hue adds a touch of elegance and whimsy to any space. 3. Stunning purple. The stunning purple Christmas cactus is a showstopper. Its rich, velvet blooms will add a luxurious touch to your holiday decor. 4. White with pink tips. The white Christmas cactus with pink tips is a beauty. Its subtle coloration adds a touch of sophistication and freshness to any room. 5. Hot corals. Last but not least, we have the vibrant hot coral Christmas cactus. Its bold, tropical blooms will add a pop of fun and energy to your holiday space. And there you have it, our top Christmas cactus colors to brighten your holiday season. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Christmas cacti are actually not really cacti, but they're epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants or surfaces without harming them. They're native to the tropical forests of Brazil, so they're more like houseplants than desert cacti. Their vibrant blooms are definitely a holiday highlight. Want to know more about caring for these beauties? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy holidays, plant lovers!